Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to get a free virtual credit card. Let's get started. First of all, visit a trusted virtual card provider. Some popular options include privacy.com, Wise or Revolut. For privacy.com, you will need to sign up with your email and connect a funding source like your bank account. Once signed up, navigate to the Credit Virtual Card section. You can customize the card by setting limits or restricting its use to a single merchant for added security. And that's it, your virtual card is ready. You will see the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Use it online just like a physical card for safer transactions. And that's it. A free virtual credit card not only protects your real card details but also makes managing your finances a breeze. And thanks for watching.